Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making ice cream cones. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, cotton balls, scissors, a brown crayon, a ruler, brown construction paper, a red or orange bigger palm, and some colorful little palms. First, we're going to make a design on the brown paper. We're going to do crisscross all the way up and down so it looks like a waffle cone, just like this. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to roll it into a cone. And you might have to kind of straighten it out and make it bigger. And then I'm going to glue. And if you don't like how it turned out the first time, you can just roll it again to get how you want it to look. And we're going to hold that for a little bit so that it stays. And then we're gonna put some paper in it so that it gives it a higher, so the ice cream looks high up in the cone. So we're gonna take some extra paper and we're gonna just rip it. And kind of just scrunch it into a ball and put it in the bottom. And I think I'm actually going to use another piece of paper. Just crinkle it like that and just put it, I think 2 works for me. And so I'm going to take the cotton balls and I'm going to start putting them in there. And we want it to look higher up, so we want the ice cream to show. Looks like a big scoop of ice cream. Just keep adding as many as you want. And then I'm going to take the cherry and I'm just going to glue it to the very top. Just hold it there for a minute. And then we're going to take these, and these are the sprinkles for the ice cream, and we're just going to glue them all over the ice cream to make it colorful. And you can do as many sprinkles as you want or as few as you want. Turn it over so you get some of the sides. I'm going to try to put a lot of sprinkles on mine. And this is our ice cream cone. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.